Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your screen rotation not working on REALME GT3. Let's begin. And we can start with simply expanding our control center twice. So let's do it. And now we have few different icons. Of course, we are interested in auto rotate. If it's disabled, your auto rotation will not work. So for example, if I would go and enter calculator and I would try to rotate it, nothing happens except this little icon. If we click this icon, I said if the icon shows up and we manage to click it, we'll manually switch the auto rotation, but it still won't be automatic. And we have to manually click the button every single time. So we want to expand our control center, like I showed you before. Enable auto rotation, and now if I would go and click calculator, you will see that auto rotation works smoothly and without any issues. However, if you are still encountering some issues, like auto rotation just simply breaks or doesn't work at all, you can always reboot your device. You can do that by pressing and holding power button, or power button and volume up button, but it really depends on shortcuts that you have previously made. So now we want to move up in order to restart. We want to input our current lock screen, and now our phone is rebooting. Why? Since whenever we reboot our phone, we're not only rebooting the software, but also hardware as well. So every single system on our phone, including gyroscope, which, you guessed it, is responsible for screen rotation, will be rebooted. And if it has any issues, they should be resolved. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.